Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn Mailchimp versus Brevo, which is the best email marketing software in AI era. In today's digital age, choosing the right email marketing software can make or break your marketing strategy. The competition is fierce, with platforms offering a variety of features designed to enhance user engagement and streamline campaign management. This video will delve into a detailed comparison of Mailchimp and Brevo, two leading platforms in the industry. We'll explore their ease of use, pricing, features, and customer support. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which software might best suit your needs. Let's start by looking at the overall user experience. Both Mailchimp and Brevo are designed with user-friendliness in mind, but they each bring their own strengths to the table. Mailchimp boasts a clean and professional interface, although some users find its navigation a bit cumbersome. For instance, if you're looking to access the automation builder, it might take a bit of digging around. Brevo, on the other hand, excels in simplicity and speed. Its layout is intuitive, and whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, you'll find it easy to get started. The dashboard provides helpful suggestions for campaign creation, making it an excellent choice for those who value efficiency. When it comes to designing emails, both platforms offer robust editing tools. Mailchimp's editor is fast and straightforward, providing a range of content blocks like images and social buttons, as well as unique options like surveys and products. Brevo's drag-and-drop editor, while missing some engagement-focused blocks like countdown timers, still offers a smooth and user-friendly experience. Now, let's talk about templates. Mailchimp takes the lead here with an impressive 274 modern-looking templates that are responsive across devices. You can also upload your own HTML templates and save brand elements like colors and fonts for consistency. Brevo offers 48 professional templates, which are also responsive, but it stands out by allowing users to save and reuse content blocks, a feature that can save you time in the long run. Both platforms offer basic landing page functionalities, but neither excels in this area. Mailchimp provides 9 simple templates, but finding the landing page section can be tricky, and it lacks A/B testing capabilities. Brevo offers 16 templates, but access to landing pages is restricted to higher-tier plans, which is a downside. However, Brevo's form capabilities are more advanced, allowing subscribers to choose their list and answer multiple-choice questions, although it lacks form templates and A/B testing. In terms of features, Brevo shines with its unique pricing model and multi-channel marketing capabilities. Mailchimp offers decent segmentation and automation features, but these are limited by the plan you're on. Brevo, however, provides more accessible automation across all plans, allowing for smart, triggered campaigns based on user behavior. This includes lead scoring and the ability to test workflows before launching, which is quite advanced for its price point. Integration is another crucial factor. Mailchimp offers over 300 integrations, covering everything from e-commerce platforms like Shopify to social media connections. Brevo, while having fewer native integrations, connects with key platforms like WordPress and Shopify. The Zapier integration also allows for connections to hundreds of additional tools, providing flexibility. Deliverability and reporting are vital for measuring the success of your email campaigns. Mailchimp boasts a high deliverability score of 92.6%, while Brevo's is lower at 74.7%. Mailchimp offers comprehensive reporting features, including Google Analytics integration and revenue tracking. Brevo provides essential reports like click maps and conversion data, but lacks custom reporting options. Customer support is another area where Brevo takes the lead. While Mailchimp offers migration support, it's only available with their premium plan, which can be costly. Brevo's support is more consistent across all plans, with built-in tools for importing contacts from other platforms. They also have the Brevo Academy, which is great for beginners, though they lack live chat support. Finally, let's discuss pricing. Mailchimp's free plan is quite limited, with only 1,000 emails per month and no automation features. Their paid plans are expensive, especially when you consider that they charge for unsubscribed and inactive contacts. Brevo's pricing model is more appealing, charging based on the number of emails sent rather than the number of contacts. Their free plan allows 300 emails per day with unlimited contacts, and their paid plans are significantly cheaper, offering better value for businesses that send a high volume of emails. To wrap up, Brevo offers a more streamlined user experience with a simpler interface and better campaign creation flow. It excels in pricing and multi-channel marketing capabilities, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to maximize their reach without breaking the bank. Mailchimp, while offering more templates and integrations, can be more expensive and less intuitive for some users. So, which is the best email marketing software in the AI era? If affordability, ease of use, and multi-channel capabilities are your priorities, Brevo is a strong contender. However, if you need a platform with extensive integrations and comprehensive reporting, Mailchimp might be worth the investment. Let's dive deeper into some practical examples and real-world use cases to help you understand how these platforms might fit into your marketing strategy. Imagine you're a small business owner who needs to send out monthly newsletters and occasional promotional campaigns. With Mailchimp, you could take advantage of its extensive template library to create visually appealing emails that align with your brand. But if you're looking to nurture leads through personalized follow-up sequences, Brevo's automation capabilities on the lower-tier plans could be more suitable. Now, let's consider common mistakes to avoid when using these platforms. One frequent pitfall is failing to properly segment your audience. Both Mailchimp and Brevo offer segmentation tools, but remember, a well-segmented list leads to higher engagement. Avoid sending generic emails to your entire list, as this can lead to unsubscribes. Instead, use tags and custom fields to target specific groups with relevant content. Troubleshooting can be another area of concern, especially for beginners. If you're experiencing deliverability issues, it might be due to high bounce rates or spam complaints. Both platforms provide tools to help you monitor these metrics. Make sure to clean your email list regularly to remove inactive or invalid addresses. This will improve your sender reputation and increase the chances of your emails landing in the inbox. A useful tip for beginners is to take advantage of the educational resources each platform offers. Mailchimp has a comprehensive knowledge base and video tutorials, while Brevo's Academy offers structured courses covering various aspects of email marketing. Don't hesitate to explore these resources. They can significantly shorten your learning curve and help you make the most of the platform's features. Finally, let's talk about using AI to enhance your campaigns. Both Mailchimp and Brevo are incorporating AI to help optimize email send times and personalize content. For instance, AI-driven recommendations can suggest the best time to send your emails based on past engagement data. This feature can be a game changer for increasing your open rates and overall campaign performance. So, keep an eye on these evolving features, as they can provide a competitive edge in your marketing efforts. Let's explore some additional real-world use cases that illustrate how you might leverage Mailchimp and Brevo in different scenarios. Say you're launching a new product. With Mailchimp, you could utilize its integration with e-commerce platforms to pull in product details directly into your emails. This can save you time and ensure your promotions are accurate and up-to-date. Brevo, on the other hand, could be beneficial if you're conducting a multi-channel campaign. You could complement your email marketing with SMS campaigns, ensuring your audience receives your message in multiple formats, which can be especially effective for time-sensitive offers. Another scenario could be if you're managing an event. Mailchimp's robust template options allow you to create engaging event invitations and reminders. You could also use its RSVP tracking to manage guest lists. Brevo can also handle event marketing effectively, offering the ability to automate follow-up emails based on attendees' responses, ensuring no potential lead slips through the cracks. Now, a common mistake many users make is not testing emails before sending them out. Regardless of the platform, always preview your emails on various devices and email clients. Mailchimp offers a handy preview mode, and Brevo allows for test sends, so take advantage of these features to catch any formatting issues or typos. When troubleshooting issues, particularly with integrations, ensure your connected apps are authorized and up-to-date. Sometimes, simply re-establishing the connection can resolve sync issues. Both platforms have community forums and support articles that can guide you through these processes, so make sure to utilize these resources. Lastly, let's discuss another practical tip: A/B testing. Both Mailchimp and Brevo offer A/B testing features to identify which email elements resonate best with your audience. Experiment with subject lines, images, and call-to-action buttons to see what drives the most engagement. This iterative approach can significantly improve your campaign effectiveness over time. By considering these practical examples and tips, you'll be better equipped to harness the full potential of Mailchimp and Brevo, ensuring your email marketing efforts are as impactful as possible in this AI-driven era. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn Mailchimp versus Brevo, which is the best email marketing software in AI era. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.